Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your font size to make it larger or smaller of your text messages on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'll just go ahead and show you my text message from DD. So as you can see, it's quite small on my screen. So to make this text larger or smaller, what you can do, you can't do it in the app itself, in the text message app on your phone. You got to go to your settings app, and then from here you want to scroll down and click on display, and scroll down again and click on font size and style. And at the bottom of the page here you got a slider, so you can move this slider left to right to make your font smaller or bigger. So to make it bigger, I'm gonna make it bigger like so. You can also make it bold font, and you can change your font style here as well. So if I go back to my text messages, as you can see, it's automatically increased the size